Cooking at home is one of life's simple pleasures, especially when you have the right tools to make it enjoyable and efficient. This Goodful ceramic non-stick pots and pans set, with its premium ceramic coating, promises a healthier, safer, and more convenient cooking experience. Whether you're an experienced chef or just starting in the kitchen, this 12-piece set is designed to deliver professional quality cooking results with ease. Set includes everything you need. The Goodful ceramic non-stick cookware set includes all the essentials for a wide range of cooking tasks. 8-inch fry pan, perfect for frying eggs, sautéing vegetables, or making small portions of your favorite dishes. 10-inch fry pan, ideal for frying, searing, and browning meats or vegetables. 2-quart saucepan with lid, perfect for simmering sauces, making soups, or boiling pasta. 5-quart Dutch oven with lid, ideal for slow cooking, braising, or making stews and soups. 4-quart deep sauté pan with lid, great for sautéing meats, vegetables, or making one-pot meals. 10-inch square griddle pan, perfect for grilling or cooking pancakes, eggs, or sandwiches. Bamboo tools, include spatulas and a spoon for gentle use on the non-stick surface without causing damage. This comprehensive set ensures you have everything you need to prepare a wide variety of meals, from frying and sautéing to simmering and slow cooking. Why choose the Goodful ceramic non-stick cookware set? 1. Healthier cooking experience. With its PFOA-free, PTFE-free, and PFAS-free ceramic coating, this cookware set eliminates the risk of toxic fumes and unhealthy chemicals found in some traditional non-stick cookware. You can enjoy a healthier cooking experience while reducing your reliance on oils and butter. 2. Reliable performance. Thanks to the heavy-gauge aluminum construction and spiral-based design, the cookware ensures even heat distribution and retention, leading to consistent, high-quality cooking results every time. 3. Convenience and ease of use. The dishwasher-safe design makes cleaning up after meals effortless, while the comfort grip handles and tempered glass lids add convenience and safety to your cooking process. 4. Versatile and compatible with all stovetops. The cookware set is suitable for all stove types, including induction, ensuring that it will work with whatever cooking method you prefer. 5. Complete cooking set. This 12-piece set offers all the essential pans, pots, and accessories you need to tackle a wide range of recipes, from quick meals to elaborate dishes. Product features. Premium ceramic coating for healthier cooking. The Goodful ceramic non-stick pots and pans set uses a ceramic coating that is free from harmful chemicals like PFOA, PTFE, and PFAS, making it one of the healthiest non-stick options available. Traditional non-stick cookware often contains these substances, which can release harmful fumes when overheated. With Goodful's ceramic coating, you can rest assured that your cooking is both safe and free of toxins, providing peace of mind for you and your family. Even heat distribution, with heavy-gauge construction. One of the key benefits of this cookware set is its heavy-gauge aluminum construction. The durable base is designed for even heat distribution and retention, ensuring your food cooks evenly every time. No more hot spots or unevenly cooked dishes. Whether you're sautéing, frying, or simmering, you'll get consistently reliable results. Comfort grip handles for safe cooking. Safety is a priority when it comes to cookware, and the Goodful ceramic non-stick pots and pans set delivers with its comfort grip handles. These handles are ergonomically designed to provide a secure grip while you cook, preventing accidents like spills or burns. They remain cool to the touch, even during long cooking sessions, and help reduce hand strain, making it easier to move your cookware from stove to oven. Tempered glass lids for monitoring. The set also includes tempered glass lids, which allow you to monitor your food as it cooks, without lifting the lid and releasing heat. This feature is especially useful when you need to keep an eye on delicate dishes, like simmering soups or sauces, ensuring they don't overcook or boil over. The transparent lids provide convenience and precision in your cooking process. Final thoughts. If you're looking for a cookware set that combines health-conscious cooking, professional results, and easy maintenance, the Goodful ceramic non-stick pots and pans set is an excellent choice. Its premium ceramic coating, versatile design, and thoughtful features make it an investment that will enhance your cooking experience for years to come. Whether you're an amateur cook or a seasoned chef, this cookware set will help you create healthier, more flavorful meals with ease. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.